So this is changes in the law. What's going to happen to us all?
It is. It's probably. I think it's the biggest change in tax filing of tax for many years. So up until now, if you're a sole trader, you do a self-assessment at the end of the year. You put it in. You work out what your tax is. HMRC have now asked that everyone becomes responsible. I think responsible is a good word. From next year, if they're earning anything in excess of 50,000. Now that, in this case, is the turnover or the income of 50,000.
Which will come on to what that means in a little while.
Absolutely, and that's actually a mixture of, if you're sole, so let's say we've got someone out there who's doing osteopathy or chiropractic, but they've also got property, so they might be earning 25,000 as a chiropractor, but they might be earning 26,000 through rent of a property. That all comes together, so that's a combined income. Right. So it's not just on what they consider their business.
Right. But you said two things which intrigued me. HMRC has asked that they become responsible. I infer from this that HMRC says you must go digital.
They must. I'm being kind. They must go digital.
Right.
Yes. It's so if they are earning 50,000, they will have to every quarter file their accounts every quarter. So that's just a synopsis, a snapshot of that quarter going forward.
Every quarter? That's weird, isn't it?
I know. I don't know why they've chosen every quarter, but it will be a quarterly thing.
And is this filing properly made up accounts by an accountant every quarter, or simply digitally uploading your books? Just
simply uploading. They started it off with PAYE, and also they've started off with VAT. So they're just bringing it all into line now, so that everything that goes through your books is quarterly done. I think the reason behind it is that they are trying to keep track of what people are earning. So at the end of the year, when the final return goes in, it will match up with what's gone on every quarter.
Right. Yeah,
similar to the PAYE that's gone through, to stop people being at the end of the year suddenly going, well, actually, I owe you this. I haven't told you about it, but I owe it to you.
Yeah. I could get into detail here because I know how my own accounts work. I mean, at the end of each quarter, they won't quite be accurate at the end of each quarter, but we're just submitting where we are with our accounts.
Absolutely, yes. So that's easy, they're going to rely, it will be, you're not paying tax on this, it's purely uploading the information. Your tax won't be calculated until you do your year-end return.
Yeah, sure. Now, that's sole traders with income of greater than £50,000.
Correct.
If you're a limited company, then you have to submit your tax your tax returns anyway digitally, I presume.
Yes.
Right. And will that be quarterly as well?
No. At the moment, this is purely sole traders and landlords.
Right. Okay. And that's going to come down over the next 2 years to a level of £20,000. And if there are osteopaths and chiropractors out there who aren't earning £20,000, I'd be very surprised if they're working full time.
Yeah.